आज ही डाउटनेट ऐप डाउनलोड करें। डाउटनेट पर होगा अब आपके सभी मैथ्स, केमिस्ट्री, फिजिक्स और बायोलॉजी डाउट्स का सफाया। बस अपने क्वेश्चन की फोटो खींचो, उसे क्रॉप करो और तुरंत वीडियो सोल्यूशन पाओ। डाउनलोड नाउ।
Here the question given that if A is unimodular, then which of the following is unimodular? Okay, they are given some options. We have to find which is unimodular. Okay, let's begin. Let here given that A is unimodular. Okay, unimodular. Mod A equal to plus or minus 1. Okay, then you have to check option A first. Okay, option A equal to mod minus A. Okay, mod minus A means minus 1 whole power n mod A. Okay, you can write like this. Okay, after that you can simplify, means you can get like minus 1 whole power n into plus or minus 1. Okay, mod A means plus or minus 1 equal to plus or minus 1. Okay, so if you get plus or minus 1 means it is unimodular. Okay, it is unimodular. Okay, then you go to option B. Option B, the option is given that mod A minus whole inverse minus 1. Okay, equal to, you can write mod A inverse minus 1 like adjacent A mod inverse 1 by A. So you can simplify, you can get like mod A n minus 2. Okay, equal to plus or minus 1 n whole power n minus 2. Okay, so you can get like plus or minus 1. Okay, it is also unimodular. If you get plus or minus 1 means it is also unimodular. Okay, after you go to third option C, they are given that mod adjacent A mod equal to, you can simplify, means mod A n minus 1 equal to plus or 1 whole n minus 1. Okay, so if n is A1, adjacent A mod adjacent A equal to plus or minus 1. Okay, else if n is odd, adjacent A equal to 1. So it is also a unimodular. Okay, then you go to option D. They given that omega A equal to omega A equal to omega power n mod A. Okay, if omega is a complex number, then whole modulus is 1. Okay, also modular whole power n is 1. Okay, so you observe that the all four options is unimodular only. So option A, option B, option C and option D all are correct. Okay,
क्लास 6 से 12 से लेके नीट, IIT, JEE मेंस और एडवांस के लेवल तक 10 मिलियन से ज्यादा स्टूडेंट्स का भरोसा। आज ही डाउनलोड करें डाउटनेट ऐप या व्हाट्सएप कीजिए अपने डाउट्स 8400 400 400 पर।